Hi everyone! Sharing with you my haul. This is yung mga nabili ko from Easy Cosmetics. And nag-release pala sila ng mga parang, I think it is your Pro Edition. It's a combination of eyeshadows, tapos mga contour, highlighter, as well as blushes. And they are these mini palettes. Tapos you can customize each of them or you can just mix and match. Like ito, puro blush ito, binili ko separately. Ito naman, isang set na siya na contour and highlighter. Tapos meron din ako isang set ng eyeshadow na binili ko. Meron silang iba't ibang format. May mga shimmer lang, may mga light colors lang, ganun, or dark colors or matte colors. And ito naman, pinagsama-sama ko yung customized palette version ko. Nakakatuwa kasi ang ganda at ang ganda ng pigmentation. So I'm gonna be sharing more about this in the vlog, so watch out for that.